Hello, this is Hannah Bradley, ALEKS project instructor, and today I'll be going over how to use the ALEKS companion site, alabamastandards.org. Through this platform, you can view standards across subject areas and grade levels. The alabamastandards.org platform utilizes the Competencies and Academic Standards Exchange, or CASE, which facilitates the exchange of information about learning outcomes, competencies, and skills. Displayed on the screen, you'll see the 7 basic features and functionalities of the alabamastandards.org platform, which I'll be demonstrating for you today. I'll put a link to this handout in the description of the video so you can follow along. The first thing you'll want to do is type in alabamastandards.org into your address bar, and you will get to the home page. You will see all of the different frameworks displayed in different tiles on your screen. You can switch your view mode in the top right corner between tiles and table, depending on how you like to view it. You can also search for framework titles using this search bar. For our example today, I'm going to click on English Language Arts. In the top left corner, I can go back to the home page. I can also click on these arrows if I want to switch to another subject area. On the right side of the screen, you'll see this kebab menu that allows you to switch your view modes. You can increase or decrease your font size. You can copy the framework link or export the framework. In this card in the middle, you'll see there is a link to the official source document. That is the entire course of study in PDF form on the alabamaachieves.org site, which you can get to by clicking on the link. The next thing I'll show you is how to find standards within a grade level and subject area. Anytime you see this right arrow icon, you can click it and it will go through the levels of standards within that subject area. Once I get to an icon that kind of looks like a donut, this circle within a circle, I have reached the lowest level. In this case, it's a standard. If there is a standard that has substandards, you'll see that these will be in a different color. So notice the color coding that you will see within this subject area in the tree mode. If you want to search for a particular standard, we can use the search feature in the top right corner. So if I wanted to search for the word phoneme within the ELA framework, I can type that in and click enter, and you'll see that I get many pages of search results. If I wanted to filter that down, I can click my filter drop down, and I'll search for the word phoneme within kindergarten to 2nd grade. Go back to my search bar and click enter again, and now I have my search results for the word phoneme for standards within grades kindergarten through 2nd. And I can navigate through my search results by clicking that arrow. If I would like to perform an advanced search, I can click my robot icon. And now on the left side, you'll see there is a green rectangle, and it's partly dark green and partly light green. This is showing you how closely your search term matches the search results. So the longer the dark green rectangle is, the more closely your search term matches the search results. So as we go through the search results, you'll notice that dark green rectangle gets smaller and smaller because it's not as close of a match. I'm going to go back to page 1 and click on the standard that matches most closely to my search term. And now I've got this standard card. On the standard card, you'll see the standard ID. This is the subject area, year of adoption, grade level, standard number, and if applicable, a substandard letter. You'll see the standard text as well as any examples. If you would like to copy this standard into another document, you can click on this icon right here. It will turn into a clipboard, so I know that I have copied it, and now I can go paste that into another document. You'll notice that I do have the option to print. If I wanted to print just that standard, you do have the ability to do that. More likely, you would want to print the entire grade level. So in order to do that, I would go back to the left side of the screen and click kindergarten, click my printer icon again, and now I have all of the kindergarten ELA standards in a document. You'll notice that this is the print preview showing me what it will look like. I can change the print settings on the left side. So I can select which item fields I would like to display. I can change my font size. If I wanted to print it out in color code like it showed on my computer screen, I can do that by clicking the color code item types box, refresh preview, and now it shows how it would look in color. I can click print. I'd have the option to print it out using my printer, or I could save it as a PDF to my computer if I would like to as well. The next thing I'd like to show you is how to export. So if you would prefer to export this information into a spreadsheet rather than print it out or save it as a PDF, you'll click the kebab menu. You will go into table mode, and then you will click the export button, and you'll see that you will get it printed out in a CSV spreadsheet. The final thing is our help button, which is available by clicking the blue eye in the top right corner. And this help guide is dependent upon the page that you're on. It is responsive, meaning if I am on this table view export page, all of this information is going to be related exactly to what I'm currently looking at on my screen. So it is a responsive help feature. I'm going to go back to my home page and close